going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. No, it's been a good minute since I've posted, but been having some fuel problems with the Mustang aside from the dead battery. But I'm gonna try to show you what I'm talking about. Okay, that's a dead battery. Give me a second, guys. Attempt number 2. Nope. Okay, guys, long story short, when I turn the Mustang on, it gives me a little bit of a problem turning it on. But when it's on, it's good. While it's idling, you can hear it like it's struggling for fuel. So through process of elimination, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna switch out our fuel filter. I don't know when was the last time it's been replaced. I know I've already had the injectors checked. The injectors are good, so I'm thinking it's a fuel issue to where it's not getting the sufficient amount of fuel while it's running. Once I get it started right now after the jump start, you guys can, I'll give you guys a clip so you can kind of see more or less what it's going to sound like. With that being said, if anybody wants to donate a starter jump box to the channel, you're more than welcome to. I'm not trying to buy one, I'd rather just buy a battery, but in cases like this, it comes in handy. But let's see if we can get this charged a little bit more. We can get it started so that way you can kind of see what I'm talking about, guys. Okay. Attempt number 65,000. We're gonna see if you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Let it run. Of course, I'm not going to do it right now. Just give it a second, let it warm up a little bit, and then I'll show you guys. Do it again. Well, of course, the car's got me looking like a fool. It's running good right now. Anyways, we're still gonna go ahead and replace this fuel filter because I know it needs to be done. I don't know how long it's been. Long story short is when I'm driving the car, it feels like it's struggling. It moves, but it's like blah, 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 blah. And it feels sluggish. So we're gonna go ahead and wind up replacing that. And we also got some other stuff we're gonna do. So stay tuned. Okay, guys. Word of advice, you're gonna get dirty, just a little bit, and sweaty, but new filters in. We're gonna prime it about 3 to 4 times. I got fucking grass in my beard. It's aesthetic, whatever. I'm gonna prime it about 3 or 4 times, get some fuel in it, get it cycled, and we're gonna see if it helps out. Guys, we fixed the problem. No more struggle, no more sluggishness. Safe to say, it's responsive.